So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can make a UPI ID in your Groww application. So for this, first of all open the Groww application and then tap on UPI option, which is in the third option. Tap on this option guys, and friends, here by default our UPI ID will be by default set. So if you want to create a new UPI ID, so scroll down your page, and friends, if you are a beginner, so here you will get to see a option of secure a UPI ID, or if you don't see this option, then friends, tap on UPI settings option here. And guys, as you tap on this option, a new page will be open like this. So friends, here tap on manage UPI ID option, and as you tap on this option, here you will get to see a option of plus. Then tap on plus option. In my UPI ID, I already created a account, so I will delete this account. And friends, then you can see add a new UPI ID is available. So tap on this option guys. First of all friends, choose your UPI ID, fill your UPI ID and then tap on setup option. So as you tap on setup option, your new UPI ID will be created. And guys, you can also share your UPI ID with your friends and families, and you can also receive your money from this UPI ID which you set up. So guys, I hope you understand all these steps, and if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and latest videos on